Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 stop error code driver power state failure. First method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Export registry for future use. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy registry entries from description and paste it. Type net space, start space, MSIServer. Restart system. Second method is Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Open Device Manager. Click and expand Display Adapter. Right-click your display adapter, click Update Driver. Click and expand Network Adapter, right-click your network adapter, click Update Driver. Restart system. Third method is type Edit Power Plan in Windows search bar. Click Edit Power Plan. Click Change Advanced Power Settings. Click and expand PCI Express. Click and expand Link State Power Management. Change to maximum performance. Click and expand wireless adapter settings. Click and expand power saving mode. Change to maximum performance. Click Apply, click OK. Restart system. Fourth method is open any browser. Type Windows 10 download in browser search bar. Click Download tool now. Open downloaded file. Click Accept. Click Upgrade this PC now. Select Install Windows 10 and keep personal files and apps. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.